What to do if you're facing foreclosure here in Michigan. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling an important and yet very difficult topic. What to do if you're facing foreclosure here in Michigan. If you or someone you know is really struggling with mortgage payments and they're worried about losing their home, you're not alone. Michigan's foreclosure process can be extremely overwhelming, but there are options and resources to help you navigate this challenging time. I'm Brett Nibel, your Michigan real estate resource, and in today's video, we'll break down the foreclosure process in Michigan and explore options available to homeowners and provide some actionable steps to help you protect your home and minimize the impact foreclosure has on one and one's family. So let's dive right in. It's critical to understand how foreclosure works here in Michigan. Michigan is a non-judicial foreclosure state, meaning lenders don't typically go to court to foreclose on a home. Instead, the process is handled through what is called a sheriff's sale. And here's exactly how it works. If you miss a mortgage payment, your lender will contact you and try to discuss the situation with you and basically ask you why you didn't make your payment. After 3 missed payments, your lender may send a formal notice of default, starting the foreclosure timeline. Once the lender moves forward, your home is then listed for what is called a sheriff's sale. This typically happens about 120 days after your initial default. The good news? Michigan law gives you a redemption period after the sale, usually about 6 months. During that time, you can either pay off the debt or take action to reclaim your home. But the clock is ticking, so it's vital to act quickly. What kind of options do you have? Option number 1, communicate with your lender. Your first step should always be to communicate with your lender. Believe it or not, lenders and mortgage holders do not want to foreclose. They often lose money in the process. So here are some options you can discuss with your lender to help your situation. Loan modification. This adjusts the terms of your loan, such as lowering the interest rate or extending the repayment period, just to make the payments a bit more affordable. 2, forbearance. Your lender may temporarily reduce or suspend payments, giving you time to get back on track. And number 3, just a repayment plan. If you've missed payments but can resume making them, your lender might allow you to spread those missed payments out over time, adding a little bit more each month. But be honest about your financial situation. The sooner you communicate, the more options you will have. Number 2, seek help from Michigan Real Estate Resources. Michigan has several programs designed to help homeowners in distress. One of the most important is the Michigan State Housing Development Authority, or what we refer to as MSHDA. And MSHDA offers programs like Step Forward Michigan. This provides financial assistance to help homeowners catch up on missed mortgage payments, property taxes, and condo fees. Housing counselors. These certified professionals can help you explore options, negotiate with your lender, and help you create a plan. To access all these resources, you can visit michigan.gov/MSHDA or contact a local HUD-approved housing counselor. I'll guide you through the whole process and help you make an informed decision, and I'll just leave all that information for you in the description below. Option 3, selling your home. If staying in your home isn't possible, selling your home may be a better alternative to foreclosure, and often is. And here's why. Avoiding a foreclosure on your credit report should be your priority. Foreclosure can stay on your credit report for up to 7 years, making it really hard to get any additional loans or even rent a home in the future. Think about leasing a car. Equity recovery. If your home is worth more than you owe, selling it allows you to use the remaining equity to pay off all your other debts, maybe get a fresh start. So consider one of these couple selling options. 1, you could always do a traditional sale where you work with a real estate agent, list your home on the open market, let people look at it, someone will buy it. Number 2, a short sale. If your home happens to be worth less than what you owe, your lender may agree to do what's called a short sale. This allows you to sell the home for less than the remaining mortgage balance. Both options can help you afford the long-term financial and emotional impact of foreclosure. Downside to the short sale, you don't get any money at the end of it. Number 5, there's always the option to declare bankruptcy. Now, while bankruptcy should always be your last resort, it can stop the mortgage foreclosure process temporarily and give you time to reorganize your finances. You have 2 types. You have a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. This allows you to create a repayment plan for your mortgage arrears while keeping your home. And then there's a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, and in some cases, this can discharge other debts, freeing up money to help you cover your mortgage. Bankruptcy, though, isn't for a solution for everyone, and if you're considering it, consult with a bankruptcy attorney and understand how this can affect your specific situation. Number 6, preventing foreclosure in the future. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure, and once you've navigated the foreclosure process, it's important to take steps to avoid future financial struggles and then never be here again. Here are some tips. Number 1, create a budget. Track your income, track your expenses, and do this to ensure that your mortgage is always the top priority. Number 2, build an emergency fund. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of expenses to cover any unexpected events. And number 3, stay proactive. Be able to foresee any financial issues in the future, and don't be afraid to reach out to a housing counselor immediately. Acting early is the best way to always keep your home. Finally, facing foreclosure is probably one of the most stressful situations a homeowner or anyone can really experience. But remember, you do have options. Whether it's working with your lender, seeking help from Michigan programs, selling your home, or even filing for bankruptcy, there are steps you can take to regain control of your financial future. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might benefit from this information. And as always, please leave your questions and experiences about this type of process in the comments below. Thanks again so much for watching. And when it comes to foreclosure, remember, you're not alone, and there's always a way forward.